All right, let's dive into this explainer on cracking Facebook's surprisingly overlooked hidden monetization program.
You know, YouTube and TikTok pay creators, right? But hey, what about Facebook?
Get this, one creator made an extra $1,500 in a single month just from views.
It's crazy. This program literally pays you a cut of ad revenue for video and photo views.
Step 1, the setup. First up, we've got to navigate Facebook's notoriously confusing interface to actually start.
Listen, you absolutely cannot use a personal profile. Creating a public page is a total must-do.
Next, open up Meta Business Suite. Create a portfolio and link your public page with your Instagram.
Step 2, automating your audience growth. Let's build that following without creating extra work for yourself.
If you're already on TikTok or YouTube, simply recycle those exact same videos straight onto Facebook.
Tools like repurpose.io are a total game changer. They automatically sync and post your old stuff.
You can effortlessly automate up to 5 posts a day to grow your page super fast.
Or hey, just toggle on Instagram's native auto share to push new reels straight to Facebook. Step 3, applying for monetization. Once that audience is looking good, it's time to officially apply. The magic number? You really need to hit at least 10,000 followers before even applying.
The process is actually pretty easy. Hit your professional dashboard, select Content Monetization, and click Submit.
Step 4, the unpredictable waiting game. Honestly, this is the biggest hurdle for new creators. Unlike YouTube's automatic system, Facebook manually decides when to accept you, with zero timeline transparency. As one creator bluntly put it, you submit it, sit there, and basically just pray.
With no guaranteed timeline, immense patience, and consistent automated posting are absolutely crucial here. So, could your recycled content be generating a hidden second income stream on Facebook right now?